Tornado emergency for central Bladen County. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for Bladen County in central North Carolina, southeastern Columbus County in central North Carolina, until 3 a.m. At 2:36 a.m. Doppler radar indicated a large and a destructive tornado. This tornado was located 8 miles west of Harrells, or 12 miles southeast of Elizabethtown, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for central Bladen County. Hazards are in the warning include a tornado, impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter, mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed, damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur, tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Elizabethtown, Bladenboro, Bladen Community College, White Oak, Clarkton, White Lake, Dublin, Tar Heel, Bladen County Hospital and Brunswick. Take cover now, move to an basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of the building, avoid windows, if you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter, and protect yourself from flying debris.